There's no hair, well, whatever. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about my nails done at home. Oh yeah. I haven't done it in a while, for like 2 to 3 years now, because I hated waiting in the salons. No offense, I like to do it at the professionals, but stick to the professional is the best thing ever. But the waiting time is like 2 to 3 hours every time I go to the salon. It's just not for me. So I haven't done it for some times now. And when I see this nail set from Shopee, and I felt like maybe I should do it at home. And I'm tired of seeing my bare hands for so much time, and I want to try it. So let's just dive in together and see how it goes.
So basically, the set contains this UV nail lamp, which is used for drying the gel nails. If it is not used, then the gel nails doesn't dry. And this is the complementary nail color, that is something I cannot choose. And they also give me base coat, top coat, and the 5 nail colors, which I can choose specifically. And I specifically bought another one, which is 29 baht, a little bit expensive than the pink color ones. And then lastly, this is the basic nail tools. Let's go on an unboxing, see how the nail color turns out. I have no idea what this magnet is for, so I just put it aside and see what others I can use. This cleaning tool is so cute, and this is something I bought with the 29 baht. I can choose the color for the nail lamp, so I choose the pink color, of course. So let's see inside.
But before we dive into the video of the dye stuff, let me just introduce you my story with the gel nails and the reason why I choose gel nails. Well, at first I was doing just normal nails and just fine for me, but I have an OCD or something that I like to wash my hands a lot. And you know, when you wash your hands a lot with the soap and stuff, and your nails got really ugly. So usually after like 1 to 2 days, it just looks so ugly. So then I go to the salon and ask for the advice, and they recommend me the gel nails. And since then, I've been using gel nails for such a long time. I only have to do it like once a month, so which is really cool. Or sometimes it even lasts for like 1.5 months, so which is really good for me. Like, the gel nails are like the one made for me. So, but the thing about gel nails, they are like the glue stick to your nails, so it damages your nails, of course. With every nail color, it just happens, so you have to take care of it, of course. But right now, I'm only doing it occasionally, so I don't think it's, and this is only just a fan project, so I don't think it's gonna hurt my nails for now. I believe. So let's just dive in. So
the highway, 'cause you found at the highway, highway. Remember when you saw me in the club, didn't show me any love? You was too busy popping bottles with the thugs. I know you was feeling up. Nah, don't know why you're trying to front, couldn't even say what's up. Yeah, you couldn't even say what's up. Now you saying I'm the one. Don't you know I got the juice, got the sauce. Get from around me, boy, get lost. You look goofy, you're a fraud. Don't fuck with lames, swear to God. And before you blew me off, then I glued up and took off. Now you're left in the exhaust, but that's your own damn fault. Should've known you was fucking with a boss. Yeah, should've known you was fucking with a boss. Yeah. Should've known you was fucking with a fine-ass chick, down a ride-ass chick. Always on your side like that clip on your hip. If you was blind, I would be your vision. Guess you found out the highway that I'm still the shit. Found out the highway, I guess you found out the highway. Yeah. Found out the highway, I guess you found out the highway. You found out the highway, I guess you found out.
oh my god, this is so pretty. This color, these two colors are my favorite, so I'm gonna try. Hey, what's this color? And top coat.
Now you're telling me I'm special. You should have seen my potential.
Now I have choose my most favorite color to dye. Now I am going to dye my nail, starting with the base coat, and then sip in the UV lamp for like 30 seconds.
You got me messed up. Gotta go run my checkup. You can tip and pop back up. I don't know what you thought that it was. And before you blew me off, but now you know.
The nail lamp is too hard to handle for me, so I just do it like 5 seconds for like 6 times, 7 times each coat. After base coat, I have to apply the color that I want and then dry it for 30 seconds.
Always on your side like that clip on your hip. If you was blind, I would be your vision. Guess you found out the highway that I'm still the shit. Found out the highway, I guess you found out the highway. Yeah. You found out the highway, I guess you found out the highway. You found out the highway, I guess you found out the highway. Yeah.
And finally, I have to put on the top coat and let it dry for 30 seconds. And now I have got the nails. And so this is the final results, and this is the close-up. It looks so good. And be careful not to make the coat so thick, because if it's so thick then it will just tear up so quickly. And I have to do the thin coat on the other hand, which I haven't done. And this is the final look, and I am very happy with the results. Oh my sweet little nails. I will link the products I use in the description, but this is not sponsored by the way. And if you like this video, please hit like, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.